Okay guys, hello, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda, and I received a Happy Mail today, and I don't understand why people send Happy Mail. I guess it's an RAK, Random Act of Kindness, but they don't put a return address, and there's no note inside, and I checked every single card and tag, and there's no name, and it's stamped on the 24th, January 24th, at Smooth Rock Falls, Ontario. So whoever this is, thank you so much. It's gorgeous, and it's inspired me to make one just like it. So you guys look out for an upcoming video where I'm going to be making this. I don't know what it's called, but it's gorgeous. It's got a pocket with lace and a tag in the front. And then another pocket with a journaling card and another journaling card. And then this little, there's pockets on the back, pockets here, pocket here, belly band with a tag, some more tags or cards. Double pocket in the front. I'm going to put it all back the way it came so that we can make this. And it's crinkly because she used baking paper, I think, or parchment paper, or what is that called, that paper for baking. Then in the back, there's an envelope. It says Home Sweet Home, and it's a magnet with beautiful vintage lace. And a card pulls out. Every good gift and every perfect gift is from above and cometh down from the Father of lights, with whom is nay variableness, neither shadow of turning. James 1:17. And then it opens up, and there's a vellum specimen card, specimen thing. This pretty cluster. Then two more pockets with journaling cards. This is gorgeous. So in an upcoming video, we're going to make this. I don't think I have the right magnet. I have magnets, but I don't think they're strong enough. So yeah, we're going to make this. Thank you to whoever sent this. It's gorgeous. I love it, and it was very inspiring, and yeah, we're going to make it. So thank you for joining me for this quick Happy Mail flip through. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, be well, and all that good stuff. Until the next video. Bye-bye, friends.